Good morning, everyone. Today, February 15, 2023, Wednesday. We can see overview of the market today from Dow Jones, Nasdaq, SP 500, and Russell. It's kind of mixed match a little bit, but this seems going a little bit down. But anyway, it's going to be back later on in like the middle of the day, like around 1 or 2. So, but it's never know like as the market the way they move, but especially Dow Jones is lost like 155, 60 points this morning, but it's going to be dropped like around 70 to 80 points now. But seeing it's going to be gain, but whatever the one you got a profits right now on the trade, please sell it and collect it. And if you want, you can buy a little lower for the put option or something, or lower price on like regular trade. And then after that, you can recall again. So especially we can see is for the overview mapping, and like 78, 80% is like it's kind of like red or light red, and it's turned into dark red and like really really low green. So anyway, on the sector, when you see communications and consumer information, energy, material, industrial, though is from really like from 60% to like 32% on the green side. And the highest one is consumer staples and utility real estate finance is like 87 to 90%. In the red side, it's mean though are the one got affect a lot on the market based on the economy for today, because today the economy seems a little low, but seen a lot is going to be good news out there for the EV car. The next one we're going to take a look of WAVE is 62% gained, and CRDO is like 45% like loss. Like depend like which one you want to buy, whether buy on the green side or loss side. You can make a choice by yourself. Remember, I share what I buy and you chose what you buy. Those markets like doesn't have a market correction or something like that, just make sure think, because like how much you buy it, that's affect the whole concept of the background of your stock trading, because the way you buy it is easier to sell or it's pretty hard to sell. That's based on those information. So with the most free markets active, we can tell on here is Tesla still stay on the top, and Roblox RBLX. Another one is CRDO. TSM is what? It's Taiwan Semiconductor Chip. Though chip is we always depend on, because they take care like over like more than 65% of the whole world. Let's think about that. Taiwan is like pretty small country with like 23 million people, but they are really smart. They're really rich, and their regular income like around 30, like 25 to 30K, $30,000 in a year. That's pretty high average income for one country in Asia. So we can tell on here like basically SP 500, Nasdaq, and Dow Jones kind of dropped a little bit this morning, and like 10 years T note is kind of unsure now. It's like the numbers not go through yet. So the oil is little bit dropped down to like 77, and natural gas dropped a little bit. Gold dropped $17, and silver dropped, and the food dropped pretty good. We get a cheaper price to buy like more food for this week, and never know next week. Whatever you can buy is safe a long time. You can choose it, especially can and bulk and dry, like sugar stuff like that. So ETF had family now. SPY, and it's going to be under 410. It's going, you want to cash though, and make sure honestly like it's by around 400, because like you sell them 410, 415, you make $15 a share. It's not bad because ETF is kind of long and stable. That's the way they are. And same with QQQ. When you drop $10, like $5 down, because that's, if you don't drop it, you will lose that profit, even though they go higher. But better just buy that. So we can tell on here like we got 3 put, 4 put, and 4 call, kind of mix match a little bit. But the best one today, honestly, as a Tesla is still the best one for trade for the day. And anyway, WE, you want that put? Nope. So pick the one ANET is for March 17. That's awesome. So LAZR, do the call, and another call is KO. It's going to be you can get some put, but as better you sell them fast and you should recall them again. And here we have the UAVE, like what I say, 62% is gain. And this kind of follow the list. Whatever that's the highest daily percent change is follow, but like $42, even though to $2. Like the cheapest one on here, I can see the $2, $16. GRTX, much easier, and this information like more for whoever get a trader, and you can read by yourself, or you want just take a screenshot and you take your time to understand it. It's like 200-day moving and 74%, like it's number 5 on the rank, 47% on that. And with opportunity, you can call them option rate, it's around like over 20%. And with Tesla, right, it's like it's strong by cornering like 13 analyzed, so with 2 moderate buying and 8 hold and 3 sell, honestly. And on Robinhood, like still over 60 some percent is buy-in. And but anyway, now they trade more than $150 million a day, and a lot the shareholder is buying more. That means it's going to be gained for next couple weeks. If you want to get some more like option trade, you can get them now, but make sure you order around June or July. I know the way you call more is the more expensive, but now we can see it's already create like the 3rd wave now. And when they finish the latest delivered, and it's going to be back for next. But this one is we got a column in another map. It's short, honestly. Like we didn't have much time to explain those map and the way and the function and the calculation and something like that. With the plumber say Elon is going to be closest one to the richest person in the world again. I mean, it's easy because he run like 10 companies. And here, just general information. You can take a screenshot and read it by yourself. So honestly, today, as market swing around a little bit, but it's going to be it's higher and they're going back because it's later on. Let's get that fact. Let's see what's going on for today. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful day and see you guys tomorrow.